Ladies and gentlemen, British pound is going down, silver is going up. Please look at this chart today, 8th of January 2026. 56 British pounds for 1 ounce of silver, but on 7th, yesterday, it was almost 62 British pounds for 1 ounce of silver. But on 26th of December 2025, it was more than 62 British pounds. That means silver is becoming a new gold. Silver actually is growing very fast for a long time, but now it actually reached the level that if you don't understand what is happening, I tell you this: for 10 coins, you must pay around 600 pounds. Just 10 coins, 600 pounds. This is a lot. The British pound is going down. Just since April, it lost around 200% net profit. Okay, it was 20. Today it is 56. It was 60 over 60. It is 300%. Silver cost 300% more than in April 2025. Can you imagine that? This is how the British housing market is also losing to silver. This is how the British pound is losing to silver. So keeping money in British pound is just losing. If you keep money in British pound, you are losing day by day, every day. Ladies and gentlemen, also the housing market in the United Kingdom is so overpriced in those British pounds that if we invest, if we've been investing in silver for last few years and gold, then we would have a lot of money actually compared to housing market, because just in 5 years, just silver actually gained 600%. 600% in 5 years doing nothing. So if you purchased a house for 300,000 British pounds 5 years ago, and this house, even if today this house is 350,000 pounds, so 50k more than in 5 years ago, then if we just simply calculate what would happen if you purchased silver for 300,000 pounds 5 years ago, today you would have 3 multiply 6, which is 1.8 million pounds. So buying silver 5 years for 300,000 British pounds would give you today around 2 million pounds. Investing that in property would give you only maybe 50,000 pounds more, maybe even not, because the situation on housing market in the United Kingdom is bad, and we don't know what would happen with the British pound, if it will be losing so heavily to silver, because also the British pound is also losing to gold. Please look at this chart. And we've got it, 3,297 British pounds. Ladies and gentlemen, I am a little bit sad because Gmail blocked my YouTube account, not because something happened with my YouTube account, but just the system blocked my YouTube account. Gmail is not letting me log in for around 35 days, so it is now over a month. That's why I haven't been publishing on my Grigory's economics channel, the original one, the primary one. This is actually additional channel. I created it after 35 days of trying to log in into my YouTube account. The account is still visible on YouTube. It is still there, but I can't publish because Gmail is blocking me login. He says that I am a hacker or something like this, but I am blocking. I am logging. I'm trying to log into my own Gmail and YouTube, but it is saying that I am a hacker. For 35 days. That's why I haven't been publishing for 35 days on Gregor's Economics. Sadly, this is very sad, as I had a solid account, real account, with real knowledge, with real information, but it is now blocked for 35 days. This is how it is. That's why I am publishing now this video on this account, and I'm letting you know that I don't know if they will give me my account back. I hope they will, but they are not giving me for 35 days. For now, I am publishing here. I hope they will give me that back, but they are not giving me that back for 35 days. And this is very sad. But what is very important? Very important is that they blocked my account 35 days ago, and since then I have not published any English-speaking movies. And since that time, what happened? All projections, my forecasts, actually came to reality. As GBP lost heavily to silver, GBP lost heavily to gold. I couldn't let you know about this because YouTube during this time that I have projected Gmail, blocked my YouTube. That's why you didn't know it. I can show you what happened. Actually, they blocked around here. Okay, and I have projected then that the gold is becoming silver is becoming a new silver. Silver is becoming a new gold, and this happened actually during time when they blocked my accounts. My projections came to reality. It became fact. And during that time, I couldn't publish. Well, what would I do? I couldn't publish during that time. But it happened, ladies and gentlemen. Silver gained during this blockage 50%, ladies and gentlemen. 50% to GBP, 50%. Well, I was very sad that I could not publish any videos on this topic to my subscribers, and that was very sad because I've been awaiting it, but they blocked it. Especially, it is sad because it is one of my projections that I wanted really to follow with you day by day, even hour by hour, but I couldn't do it because Gmail blocked YouTube, so I couldn't publish. I couldn't spread the knowledge. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like my video, and I hope to see you soon, and I hope that Google will give me my YouTube back. I hope to see you on my new channel, but now I have this channel. Bye bye.